Best diesel motor oils. Are you looking for the best diesel motor oils? In this video we will look at some of the best diesel motor oils on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Chevron Delo 400 XLE 15W40 Oil. Delo 400 XLE Synblend SAE 15W40 is a premium quality, heavy-duty diesel engine oil designed to deliver outstanding performance for both on-highway and off-highway applications. Formulated using Chevron's advanced isosin technology, this synthetic blend provides superior protection under high-load and high-temperature conditions common in modern diesel engines. The oil is engineered to meet or exceed stringent industry specifications, including API CK4, CJ4, and prior categories, making it compatible with a wide range of diesel and gasoline engines. This 15W40 oil ensures excellent wear protection, deposit control, and oil oxidation stability, which helps to extend engine life and reduce maintenance costs. Its advanced additive formulation supports the performance needs of engines equipped with after-treatment systems such as diesel particulate filters, DPFs, selective catalytic reduction, SCR, and exhaust gas recirculation, EGR. It offers superb soot dispersancy and minimizes sludge buildup, helping engines run cleaner for longer. The 1-gallon jug size makes it convenient for regular maintenance or top-offs, especially for fleet operators, heavy-duty trucks, construction machinery, and agricultural equipment. Delo 400 XLE is also backward compatible with older engines, offering flexibility for mixed fleet use. Whether you're managing a commercial fleet or maintaining personal diesel vehicles, Delo 400 XLE 15W40 offers a balance of protection, performance, and value. It's a reliable choice for users looking for a high-performing diesel engine oil that meets modern emissions requirements while maintaining fuel economy and engine durability. Number 2. ACDelco DexosD 0W20 Oil Change Kit for Duramax Diesel LM2. The ACDelco DexosD 0W20 engine oil and oil filter change kit is a complete maintenance solution specifically engineered for the 3.0L Duramax diesel LM2 engine. This kit includes premium ACDelco engine oil that meets the DexosD specification, ensuring optimal protection, performance, and fuel efficiency for diesel-powered vehicles. The 0W20 synthetic oil is designed to flow quickly during cold starts, reducing engine wear and improving lubrication under all temperature conditions. This oil formulation helps maintain engine cleanliness by minimizing deposits and sludge buildup, thereby extending engine life. It also provides excellent thermal stability and oxidation resistance to protect critical engine components during extended oil change intervals. Included in the kit is an original ACDelco oil filter, designed to trap contaminants and particulates that could damage the engine. This genuine filter ensures a proper fit and efficient filtration performance, helping maintain the engine's health and reliability. Using the factory-recommended filter reduces the risk of leaks or filtration failures that could occur with inferior aftermarket parts. Together, the ACDelco oil and filter deliver a dependable, factory-approved service experience aligned with manufacturer standards. This kit is ideal for routine maintenance, helping keep the Duramax diesel LM2 engine running smoothly and efficiently, preserving power and fuel economy while meeting stringent emissions regulations. By choosing this original ACDelco kit, vehicle owners ensure high-quality, tested components that support warranty compliance and extend the life of their diesel engine. Number 3. Mobil 1 Turbo Diesel Truck Oil. Mobil 1 Turbo Diesel Truck Full Synthetic Motor Oil 5W40 is a premium full synthetic motor oil specially formulated for heavy-duty turbocharged diesel engines, including trucks, SUVs, and light commercial vehicles. It is designed to provide superior protection and performance in demanding conditions, such as towing, hauling, and long highway drives. This oil's advanced synthetic formulation helps resist thermal breakdown and oxidation, maintaining engine cleanliness and protecting critical engine components. The 5W40 viscosity rating ensures excellent cold start performance and reliable lubrication under high temperature and heavy load conditions. Mobil 1 Turbo Diesel Truck Oil provides enhanced wear protection to extend engine life, reduce metal-to-metal contact, and minimize engine deposits. The product meets or exceeds key industry standards and OEM specifications, including API CK4, CJ4, and SN, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of modern diesel engines. It is also backward compatible with older diesel engine models. The full synthetic base oil combined with advanced additives helps improve fuel economy, reduce emissions, and maintain optimal engine performance. Mobil 1 synthetic oil technology offers superior sludge control and corrosion protection, which helps keep engines running cleaner and more efficiently over time. The 1-gallon size is ideal for easy handling and refills, making it a convenient choice for both professional mechanics and diesel truck owners who demand high-quality lubrication. In summary, Mobil 1 Turbo Diesel Truck Full Synthetic 5W40 oil is engineered to deliver maximum protection, performance, and durability for turbo diesel engines operating under tough driving conditions. Number 4. Schaeffer 9000 CK4-006S Diesel Engine Oil. The Schaeffer Manufacturing Company 9000 CK4-006S SynShield OTR Plus is a premium full synthetic diesel engine oil formulated to provide superior protection and performance for heavy-duty diesel engines. This 5W40 grade oil is designed specifically for over-the-road, OTR, trucks and equipment, ensuring excellent engine cleanliness and durability under severe operating conditions. SynShield OTR Plus is engineered with advanced synthetic base oils and proprietary additives to resist thermal breakdown and oxidation, which helps extend oil life and engine service intervals. Its formulation promotes outstanding wear protection, reducing engine wear and extending component life, especially in high-stress diesel engines. This oil offers excellent cold temperature fluidity, ensuring easy cold starts and faster lubrication in chilly environments, while maintaining strong viscosity at high temperatures to protect engines under heavy loads and extreme heat. It meets or exceeds many industry standards including API CK4, CJ4, and previous categories, making it suitable for use in modern diesel engines equipped with advanced emission control systems such as diesel particulate filters, DPF. Schaeffer's SynShield OTR Plus also provides excellent resistance to soot thickening, corrosion, and deposits, helping maintain engine efficiency and reliability over time. Packaged in a convenient 1-gallon bottle, this oil is ideal for fleet operators and individual owners looking for a reliable, high-quality synthetic oil for diesel engines. In summary, Schaeffer's SynShield OTR Plus 5W40 offers enhanced engine protection, improved fuel economy, and extended drain intervals, making it a strong choice for demanding diesel applications. Number 5. Shell Rotella T6 Full Synthetic 5W40 Diesel Engine Oil. Shell Rotella T6 Full Synthetic 5W40 Motor Oil is a premium heavy-duty engine oil designed to deliver superior protection and performance for diesel and gasoline engines. This 1-gallon pack comes in a convenient 3-pack bundle, ideal for vehicle owners who want to maintain consistent oil quality during multiple oil changes or for fleet maintenance. Rotella T6 uses advanced synthetic base oils and a robust additive package to provide excellent wear protection, improved engine cleanliness, and enhanced overall engine durability. It offers exceptional resistance to oxidation and thermal breakdown, which helps extend oil life and maintain performance even under severe operating conditions such as high temperatures and heavy loads. The 5W40 viscosity rating ensures optimal flow in cold start conditions, reducing engine wear during startup, while providing strong protection and lubrication when the engine is hot. This makes it suitable for a wide range of engines and climates. Rotella T6 meets or exceeds numerous industry specifications, including API CK4, CJ4, CI4+, CI4, and SN, ensuring compatibility with modern emission systems and turbochargers. Additionally, this oil helps reduce deposits and sludge buildup, keeping the engine running clean and efficient. It is formulated to protect vital engine components such as pistons, rings, and valves, thereby prolonging engine life and maintaining power output. Overall, Shell Rotella T6 Full Synthetic 5W40 Motor Oil 3-pack is a trusted choice for diesel truck owners, commercial fleets, and high-performance vehicle operators seeking reliable protection and extended engine life in a full synthetic formulation.